In this video, we are going to unbox the Roku Streambar. Cue the intro. What's happening, beautiful people? My name is Jim and welcome to the channel where we review smart home product devices and do unboxing videos like this. So if you're interested in videos like that, please consider subscribing and don't forget to click on that notification bell as well. And I also have my affiliate links down in the description box below if you want to support this channel, and if you want to purchase something like this, please just use that link below. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox this Roku Streambar, where it says it's 4K streaming, premium audio, all in one, and it works with Amazon, Alexa, as well as Google Home. Alright, so with my handy dandy knifey thing, knifey thing, there we go. Alright. Wow, look at that. There's nothing much really in there yet, but that's what it looks like. Okay, so first things first, we've got some documents. It says Roku Streambar, just wait until you hear this. Quick start guide. And then we actually have the actual device. So let's check it out. So it's quite small, I guess, for your regular soundbar. There we go. Roku. There we go. Okay, so that's what it looks like right there. That's the top, that's the bottom, and this one's the back. And on the back you actually have a few connections here. So you have the reset button, the USB, HDMI, you have the thing, I forgot what it's called, and then of course you have the power button as well. And you have like 2 screws there, or so I think you can just screw this on a wall or something like that. And then it has 1, 2, 3, I think it has 4 speakers inside here, but we'll find out. So that's pretty much that. Okay, that's that. Let's see what else is inside here. Alright, so you've got a free HDMI. Okay, you also have this one. What is this called? This is a ARC. Oh man, I forgot what this thing is called, but this one with the, like, if you stick this on, it lights up the ends. And then you have the power cable, which is also the power cable here. And you have the remote. And actually the remote comes with 2 AAA batteries. Very nice. Thank you, Roku. So generous. Okay, there you go. And it's Duracell. It's not one of your dollar store kind of batteries. Okay. That's pretty much it for this. So what we'll do next is, in my next video, I will going to set this up upstairs where we can check, what's in here and stuff like that, and see if it is actually worth it. I think it will be. Well, that's just my bias, but we'll find out. All right, beautiful people. Thank you for sticking with me until the end. If you haven't, please consider subscribing. And as always, I will see you in my next one. Bye.